baskets and Nightshade guts, an MD8K, and tear amps 400 by 4s on the doors.
Okay. Nice. What's your name, man? What's in here?
Brian Mosley, and I've got two DC XL M215 motors with TC baskets and Nightshade guts, an MD8K, and tear amps 400 by 4s on the doors.
Okay. Where did you get that amp from? I've never seen the silver one hardly ever. Is it just old?
That's one of the first models.
Really? That's why. Okay.
They came out with the premieres right when they released the.
Oh, okay. I had a lot of people ask me where to get them. I didn't know what to say. So they were new in the older version.
Oh yeah.
And your subwoofer wheel.
I just picked up the recon for this actually.
Sorry, I just seeing everything. That's pretty cool, man. What's your electrical?
Electrical, I got a 250 amp alternator under the hood, eBay special, with a US Alternator's PCM module to jack me up to 15.3, and 45 amp hour C-Max in the back.
All right. Did you ever do any SPL tests?
A little bit here, a little bit there. I can touch a 50 if I try real hard.
Yeah. All right, that's good, man. Sweet. Yeah, and it's a custom sub style, so you use different parts together, the motors and all. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so when I had the old 12-spoke baskets, I was having a really hard time getting over 45. So TC baskets and Nightshade parts made the difference.
There you go. Yeah, and it handles a little more power probably.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, and more motor force. Awesome, man. Thank you very much for the demo.
Likewise, thanks for getting one. I've been calling
man.
for a long time.
Oh yeah, yes sir. You're welcome, man. Thank you for watching too. Your voltage is really solid too, so.
Oh yeah, this is actually wrong too. I've run all my voltage down here off the.
So that doesn't actually drop at all? Or?
So my lowest I see is 15.1 down here.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. You got that hooked up to it.
Yeah, it's just my tuner.
Yeah.
Pulls it straight from the ECU.
Yes, sir. I didn't ask you. What is your amplifier to? Ohm wise.
I'm 1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay. All right, got it. Appreciate it, man.
Under the bright sky.
it's a custom sub style, so you use different parts together, the motors and all. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so when I had the old 12-spoke baskets, I was having a really hard time getting over 45. So TC baskets and Nightshade parts made the difference.
There you go. Yeah, and it handles a little more power probably.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, and more motor force. Awesome, man. Thank you very much for the demo.
Likewise, thanks for getting one. I've been
Yeah,
calling
man.
for a long time.
Oh yeah, yes sir. You're welcome, man. Thank you for watching too. Your voltage is really solid too, so.
Oh yeah, this is actually wrong too. I've run all my voltage down here off the.
So that doesn't actually drop at all? Or?
So my lowest I see is 15.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.